Hi. Let's see what happened today and what will happen tomorrow. Okay. Last 2-3 days I am repeatedly telling Nifty range is 9100 to 9430, 9380 to 9430 is a resistance range. Okay. Today exactly reversed from the 9433 ranges. Okay. And reverse came down up to 9220 levels. Okay. So it's acting perfectly at my resistance level, and in the last 2 days Reliance somewhat saved Nifty, but today Reliance failed to save the Nifty. As I warned yesterday itself, some profit booking may be possible ahead of right issue. 1600 above also is possible to go to. Today also it's gone up to 1613, 1615. Then it reverse down. So that failed to support the Nifty. And about Hindustan Unilever also I warned. The range was 1800 to 2150. Today Hindustan Unilever reversed from 211617 ranges. Okay. And then it closed around 2048 ranges. So the 16 came down to 2037 36 ranges. So if you want to buy now, buy near 1900 levels. Hindustan Unilever is a good buy. Reliance is some news also now also is going. Two other firms is interested to buy some minor stake in Reliance Jio. Okay, let's see what will happen in coming days. Okay, so as of now, Reliance is not good for buying at this level. Okay. We'll update later when it's good for buy. Okay, coming days you have to focus on. Yesterday itself I told IRCTC today locked 5%, and the government is planning to restart their operations of flights. So Indigo, SpiceJet, you have to focus these two shares. And then about Bank Nifty, yesterday I told clearly 18,900 to 19,000 is a very big support. Today I just came down 18,855 and closing around 8,090, 910. This is a very important support now. Let's see, you can see these levels. Okay, if it broken now, you will see around 500 to 600 points downside. Below 8,800 you can see 500 to 600 point downside possible in Bank Nifty futures. Okay, no shares is supporting Bank Nifty as of now. So for the selling pressure is also possible, but this week fully market will be highly volatile. And another thing, you have to focus on MSCI rebalancing, okay, which will release on 13th. There are some list is going on regarding the. Let's see what the list under. There's the possibility of inclusion Tata Consumer, IGL, Torrent Pharma, Biocon, and Muthoot Finance. There's a high chances Tata Consumer and Torrent Pharmaceuticals. Exclusion possibly Bharat Forge, Tata Power, M&M Financial Services, and HDFC Standard Life Insurance increase the weightage. Let's see how it reacted this shares today. Let's go IGL. Today up 5% IGL. I already told share price movement will tell you what will happen next to that particular company or particular share. See that from 472 499.70 is a high. So some news are going on. IGL is possible include of MSCI. Okay, like that. Torrent Pharma is up 3% today. Okay, SDFC Life is going up last 5 days. Okay, from 475 to 527, 539. So like this, market will give indication. Okay. Sorry, share price will give indication. It will going to happen. It will going to happen like that. Some good thing or bad thing. Okay. So kindly focus on Indigo and this MSCI rebalance shares, possible inclusion shares.